Today we are going to introduce to you Allion's AI robotic testing. With 3 case studies, which are online Baccarat game testing, software app installation testing, and Bluetooth speaker connectivity testing, we are going to show you how AI robotic testing works. To learn the performance of this Baccarat game, Allion adopts the AI visual application system to assure whether the pokers in the dealer's hands are the same as the digital pokers in real time. So what is the AI visual application system? It is capable of monitoring the game and alert issues in real time and detecting issues such as camera lag, advertisement blocks, and fail in connection. We can see there's an issue alert in the system. There's camera lag. Pop-up advertisements blocking the screen. And fail in connections. The second case study that we are going to talk about is software app installation testing, and why AI robotic testing is the perfect fit for such tests. It utilizes robotic arms to install the apps. And uses visual recognition system to check whether the designated app has been properly installed or not. Last but not least, we are going to see how AI robotic testing is used to test Bluetooth speaker connectivity. The robotic arm turns on the Bluetooth speaker and pairs the speaker to the phone and starts playing music. Next, with the visual recognition system, we can check whether the pairing is done successfully and see if the music is playing.